Okay, we're playing our weather game and we're using the wind to blow our little tumbleweeds all the way across the finish line.
Look at,
ready?
Says go. We gotta blow them all the way over there.
Ready, set, go!
No, don't win.
Don't, Saya, keep it on the ground.
Don't touch it with your hand. You gotta blow it.
You gotta get down to the floor.
Put your straw right here like this. There you go. Get on your knees.
You might have to get on your tummy or your knees.
There
Yay!
you go.
Get closer,
Move
hurry!
closer.
Crawl towards your thing. Woohoo!
I need that right here.
See if I can do it all from right here.
Oh, Josiah!
I won! Yes! Like, I won! I'm so great!
Oh, there
And I
goes
still
Daddy.
finished.
Yeah!
Yeah,
So
because that's what matters. Because
Yeah.
I did my best. Ready, set, go! Woo! Oh, it was a close one. This is the championship race, is that right?
Yeah!
Who's gonna go first? No hands. Illegal formation.
Yes, I won!
High five.
So I get lollipop.
Go get your ring pop.
Daddy?
You're the champion.
Yeah, because I did 2 races and I beat both of you.
What?
So you
Yep.
guys...
So do we do a consolation round?
And you only cheated just a little bit.
Yes, I'm going
What are we doing, Josiah?
making banana muffins. Do the roll
2, 5.
2, 5?
Yeah. Press
2,
start.
5. 2, 5 minutes, 25 seconds is a lot of seconds.
Stick your hands right there. Yep. Put it all the way up and dump it in.
Now banana muffins.
Almost. Button.
It's making banana muffins. Yum, I want to eat some banana muffins. Are we gonna eat them?
Once we cook them.
Well, then banana muffins. They're making banana muffins.
Yum. Okay, Josiah, can you push that button again?
This one?
Yep. Push it down. Yeah, thank you.
Mama.
Can you crack it? Oops. Good job.
I did.
You cracked. How much time is left?
There's 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Let's keep on them.
1 minute? No, 1 minute? No. It's all done. It's done. No, we needed the rinsing one. Only the
Down.
Mommy, I want to eat a banana. Is the bananas inside of them?
They are. That's everything you mixed up in the blender. Tell me how it is. Is it yummy?
Do I have a height?
It's a little warm.
Do I then have the steak when I have a height?
Yeah.
It's
Take a bite,
yucky.
Josiah.
It's yucky.
It's yucky.
Mommy, look, it's a
Banana.
Look,
Banana muffin.
it's banana muffin.
So today is a rainy day at IKEA. Yay! Are we at IKEA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
Do you like IKEA?
yeah, it's like happy.
Oh, they're so cute.
1, 2, 3.
You guys are crazy. What?
I'm not that crazy.
You're not the crazy?
Yeah.
Well, who's the crazy?
I am.
Oh, brother. Okay, can Daddy get in on this?
Get up, Nolan, hurry. Get up there.
Come on! We don't always let them jump off the table because we never let them jump off the table. But they do it anyway.
One. Get
One.
off.
Oh, no, we're going to jump at the same time. One,
One,
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Can I try again?
So we went to IKEA and I wanted to show you guys some of the things that we got. Because who doesn't love a little IKEA haul? We've been going through lots and lots of coffee lately. Mom life. I bought this big jar so we could put our coffee beans in because the bags always fall apart and then the beans spill everywhere inside our cabinet. So I bought that for our coffee beans. And then these things. I love them. They're little carafes. Is that what they call them? Carafes. Anyway, I've been wanting to get them, but I was just like, I don't really need it right now. So every time I've gone, I decided not to get them. Well, this time they had them for 49 cents. And I was so excited. And I was like, let's get 10. But I got 2 instead of 10. So I used one as a vase. We bought pretty flowers today at Fred Meyer. And I love them. They're in my little vase on the counter right now. So after Christmas, we went through some of the boys' toys, and I decided to throw away all of their like kitchen food because it just, they always got like broken or like smushed because the plastic ones were kind of crappy. So we went to IKEA, Josiah's excited, and we bought these little baskets of felt food, and they're so cute. Look at like the little watermelon. What else do you want to show them?
Mommy.
And the carrots. Oh, Josiah likes the banana because you can peel it up and down. Anyway, they're so cute. They can't get broken, and like the worst that can happen is they get dirty and then we just throw them in the washing machine. So I'm really excited about those. We have our little like homeschool area right here with all of our homeschool supplies. And I had a few things that I was just like, I could not organize because they just were always all over the place. So next to our like little supply bookshelf, I installed, can't even really see it, this magnetic strip that has these little containers and got like all of our little school supplies, all these little things that I never knew where to put. And it's nice because it's like really heavy duty and like the boys can't like really like open these. They're really hard to open. So it's nice that they can't take those off and open them all the time either. Is your banana good? Okay, so I know this isn't totally IKEA related. So here's our other craft. I love it. I'm so glad we got them. I kind of wish I got more, but I decided not to. And this, it's not IKEA either, but Target. Look at how cute that is. I love their like seasonal mugs, and this is from their Valentine's section. And it's white and gold, and it matches my office. There's my new calendar, February. But this, okay, this is probably like one of my favorite things I've ever bought from IKEA. It's my favorite clock, and it's just the best. It's so pretty, and it always like fits, and, like no matter what room I'm in. This is also IKEA, but we didn't buy this time. Okay, so one last thing. I thought I was done. I bought a few more scissors for our school supplies section because we didn't have very much. And then these markers, they're so great for the boys. They're really cheap. And they're like perfect when I do like hand lettering projects. Sometimes I need just like colors. And they're perfect, and they're so pretty. And then I bought chalk for a chalkboard. This was like 70 cents for these. I love IKEA. I wish I could go every day.
Say ah. Say ah.
Wait, just I keep doing it. Keep taking bites. Is it funny when brother eats? TJ, are you eating oranges? You gonna share with him?
This is the trash, TJ. This is a lowercase h.
A lowercase h?
Yeah.
Good job. Now what's it gonna be? What are you doing, Josiah?
I'm doing a rocket ship.
Now what are we missing on the bottom?
The fire!
We're missing the fire.
The fire is the are the red pipes.
Alright, I have to brag a little bit for a minute here. So my husband Mac, he's amazing, and I could just go on and on and on about how amazing he is. And he just does little things like this all the time, and it just makes me so happy. Well, one, like, this is just a side note, but he's always involved with our boys. He does bedtimes, he brushes their teeth, he does everything, and he's the most amazing father ever. On top of that, he can be such an amazing husband. So I ran to get food for dinner, and while I was gone, well, right before I left, I mentioned that I was like dehydrated and feeding the baby all day long, and I hadn't had any water. So when I got home, he had water waiting for me. I got home and he had picked up the floor, made everything look nice. He made our bed and changed our sheets. This is Venom. He's our new kitty cat. Not only is that great just because he decided to do something nice for me while I was gone, he had all 3 boys and he did this. That's even more impressive. I can't get anything done when I have all 3 boys.